Hey friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix system services exception Win32kbase.sys file Bluescreen error. So in this video, seeing before we begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Now follow the all steps one by one. Follow to this problem 100% fix it now. Let's go ahead. First step, restart. If your PC is stuck on the blue screen, press the and hold the power button 5 seconds until your computer shut down completely. After that, press the power button again and to restart your PC. Sometimes force the restart can clearly temporize the system error. Fix it. Then once it inside come to, then next step follow. That's the next step for the command promote. So for that and go to that Windows search bar and type command promote, right click on the command promote, choose the run as administrator, then this command all provider, description provider, then copy to paste, use it. So first SFC scan now, here I copy, then go to the paste, inside command promote and type of paste your command promote comments that this process will take some time. So well, this verification 100% completed only. Come to back. I will skip it. Then go to the next command for DISM online cleanup images or restore health. So this command also use it now. After that, come to next step, safe mode. If this try to still not working, then only go to the next step for the safe mode. So for that, then go to that Windows search bar and type system configuration. Just click on it and open. Then go to that root. Here you can see the safe mode. Checkbox select and hit the apply and OK button click here to restart your system. After that is directly go to the safe mode system. Then again that place same this methods try to come to here. Then that is go to the Windows search bar and type system configuration. Then unselect the safe mode. There is after that hit the apply and OK button click here to come to here. After that your problem fix it now. If you have any doubt, subscribe to comment. I give the answer and don't forget subscribe and comment. Is this method working or not working? Comment section go to comment. Thanks for watching.